What I want to show you here today is a feature to add captions to your Alexa call. This is good for a loved one who's maybe is hard of hearing. And this setting has been in Echo Shows for quite a while. It's under accessibility and it's just below the other captioning settings. See, it's called call captioning. So that's the thing that you need on here on yours and on your loved one's Echo Show. And the way this works, it's been there a long time, but only recently have I seen it work. So I'm going to place a call. I have another unit here in my room. So I've changed the wake word. Computer, call ring Tucson.
Calling Rini Tucson's Alexa devices.
Now, as the call starts, your options look about the same. I'm going to go answer the call in the other unit.
Your call is being transcribed captions for the other party in English.
So as you heard, we got a pop-up here because captions is on, closed captions. And that little thing will stay up there. Now if you look, you'll see I have a few other choices. The first time this is done, you will need to turn on captions, but it'll stick. As you see, it's already turned on. Now you can't see any text here, but it's appearing on the other unit. So to cut down on the echoing here, I'm going to turn my mic off, turn the other one on. Okay, now I'm talking across the room. There may be a little feedback here. And there's a bit of a delay, as you can see it. I'll include some real video calls with some relatives here so you can see what it's like. So with this echoing here in the room, it isn't that accurate. It's not that great. You can't move it around, but you can change the size of it. So I'll include some links to it and I'll have that extra video in there. So just wanted you to see what that looks like. It's kind of a nice feature to have, even though it's not perfect.
Okay, so I wonder how your day was today. Here in Tucson, the weather is very windy, and we were hoping to get rain today, and we didn't. But it is probably in the 80s. My husband and I went golfing this morning, and we were going to go ride our bikes this afternoon, but it's too windy to do that. So instead, I'm talking to you.
Okay, that sounds good. And just to be, that's good. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, it's really still cold out here. I'm looking forward to a little bit of sunshine and warmth. I am so cold. I really stay bundled up all the time.
That came
And
through
our
great.
poor birds. You done?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, and just to let you know, I checked this out on the Echo Show 5, Echo Show 8, Echo Show 10, generations 1, 2, and 3, and it works on all of them. If it doesn't work for you, suggest you update your software and also maybe reboot the unit just to be sure. But it worked for me on all of those, and as I mentioned, it only started, I think they said it was released in December 2020, so I checked it a lot of times before that and it never was working, so you might want to give it a shot.